Okay, let me just get who's not here. Just give me one moment. I'm going to call those who's not here yet. Let me see who's not here. Okay. And then, okay, Ilhan is not here, right? Ilhan is here now. Ilhan, Ilhan, hold on. And one more. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. We're going to start straight, with, are you there? Okay. Oh, Akil, you're in. Sorry. Sorry. Wrong person. I go and send to the wrong person, Akil. I sent to you. I thought you're sorry. Okay, so for everyone. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now, we are gonna. Who else? Is everyone here? Okay. We don't do this. Can you? We are going to start with simple stuff first. Paper one. This is Catholic High. Catholic High is the school where our Prime Minister, Prime Minister Desendung.
Sure.
Yes.
Can you go text my mother? My mother keep on calling me.
Oh yeah. I. So sorry. Okay. Okay. Sorry, Mr. Akil. I was searching just now. Somehow I couldn't see you. I don't know why. Okay. All right. We start now. Okay, you try this one now. Question 1 and 2. Oh, that's fast. Okay, Akil, well done. Darwish, well done. Zahin, well done. Okay, all those you all did for the first one, you are correct. This stands for 700. Well done. So question number 2, let's see. 2 and 3, yes. First one is number 4, the answer. So let us see now. First one to come is Zahin, well done. Hey, which one, Zahin? First or second? Okay. Let us see, Zahin, whether it's correct. Sorry? Okay, so we'll come to question number 2. How many 6 are there in 3 and 5? 6. How many?
Yeah, answer correct.
Yeah, go. All right. So Darwish, okay, so question.
Answer correct.
Hold on. What's your answer?
3.
3. Okay. So let us take this one. Here we go. We change this to improper. 3 times 6, 18. Plus 5, 23. So there are 23 6. Number 3, yeah. Although answer key has put, yeah, correct. Okay, well done. Answer key, yeah, correct. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
I do 3, 5, 6 times 6.
Times 6. No, actually now this one, they're asking you how many 1 6 are there in this. So if you can change it to this form, that means there's 21 6. 23 1 6.
Is my next answer correct?
23 1 6. Hold on. Your next answer. Okay, let me just check. I have not. Zahin, well done for number 3. Akil, well done for number 3. Darwish, well done for number 3. What about Karis Putri? And Ilhan. So I'm just going to clear screen for a while. Sorry, so that we can show the other one. Okay, so far, if you've gotten correct for all, so far, well done. This one now. Everyone seems to be giving the right answer. So down here, the answer will be, let me just wait for one more. Okay, so everyone is putting the answer for number 3 as 3. Only Zahin says it's 1. Darwish says it's 1. Putri 3, Ilhan 3, Akil 3. Let us see now. He attended the class for 1 hour 55 minutes. He left the class at 5 p.m. He finished class, right? What time did he arrive? That means what time did he start? So you must minus lah, right? So minus, let's say we minus 2 hours, we minus more. You minus 2 hours is 3 p.m. Then you must plus another 5 minutes because you minus too much. That's one way of doing it. That means how do I, what am I saying? I'm saying you change this to 2 hours. So 5 minus 2 hours is 3 p.m. But you minus too much. You minus 5 minutes more. So now you put back the 5 minutes. That's one way. If you're not satisfied this way, okay, no problem. We take 5, 155. You can also do it this way. Borrow, you need to borrow 60 minutes. Do not put 100 please. Change 60 here. 60 minus 55, you get 5 lah. 4 minus 1 is 3. Same thing. Even better, 24-hour clock. You know 24-hour clock, that's the safest lah. Okay, so we move on to the next one. Okay, remember, you all are at the stage that you can get full marks for this already lah. Monkey bar, this one, easy lah. What's the height of the monkey bar? Come on, just so you know. I had a friend, monkey bar, one day. I was in primary 4 or 5, you know. And one day, my friend came up to the house and told my neighbor broke his head. I went down to the monkey bar. This is in Tua Payoh. The ground is all concrete brick, you know. It's not sand. And there I saw him on the ground, blood all over. He broke his head. Broke his head like Humpty Dumpty, you know, broke his head, poor thing. And what do you think happened when his father came down? Father scolded him with him on the ground with blood coming and said, I told you right not to do this. Poor thing. Okay, let us see question number 4. Okay, can you all next time when you put that thing, put the number, question number, because I'm getting lost as to which is which. Okay, those of you who say, which one is which now? Which one is which? Now which you say number 1, is it 0.02? Okay, the answer is 2 meters lah. Okay, because your height down here.
I put 2.
2, okay, so sorry, because I'm lost now which one is which. Your height now is about 1, let's say 1.516. So there's need to be a little bit more space, right? Your arms can sometimes just reach or just below reaching. You need to jump. So it's about 2 meters, roughly about 2 meters. Okay. The next one now. Let us see now. Question number 5. Okay, question number 5. You all give your answer already? All give. Okay. If that's the answer, Ilhan, you're wrong. Darwish, you're wrong. Putri, you're wrong. According to the answer key, you are wrong. And let me see who else. If you have given the answer.
It's not my answer, Chair.
You have not given the answer. Okay, well done. Okay, so you tell me.
Already.
You give your answer. Oh, sorry. I have not. Okay, let me check again. Zahin, you got to check again.
Is it plus 1?
Well done. Okay, Zahin, okay, well done. Okay, Putri, well done. Anyone else for number 5? Akil, have you given? Can you write the question number so I know which one is which? Otherwise, I'm lost. Okay, let's check. Sorry, Ihlan. I thought, is it plus or divide? I think plus. Plus, this is plus. Okay, we make it bigger. Again, you must be able to try your best to make sure that you score. Okay, because you are ready. I think all of you are ready. All of you are ready to score for this one. So I'm going to give 1 minute more. So far, all correct. Okay, well done. I think all of you almost got it correct. Almost all got it correct. No one have given the wrong answer yet. So down here now, we put the value of 3 down here. 10 times 3, 30. 30 divided by 3, you get 10. So 10 minus 2 times 3, 6. Plus 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Answer is number 2. All okay? Putri, are you okay? Yes. Okay, well done. So far, all of you all have been able to get it all correct. Okay, here we go. Okay, this one now. Okay. Number 6. This is number 6 and number 7 in a moment. I can enlarge the thing, but I'm just a little bit worried. I can enlarge like that. Yeah. Okay, Davish, well done. According to answer key, your answer is right. I'll just give a moment. Yeah, your answer is right. Okay, what about the rest? Well done, Putri, Kasih. Okay, then you try the next one. See the question, how they write the question was satu lah. This is not English test. I don't know why they write it like that, But yeah, inshallah, PSLE they won't write it unclear like that. Okay, question number 6, we go through first. How many 8, 2 or more? So we are looking at where? We are looking here, here, here. All you need to do is plus the number of the thing. This one is 36. 1 is 2, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So it's 36. This one down here is 30. 36 plus 30 is 66. 66 plus 18. This one is 18. You get 84. Okay, this is the one. Now, the next one now, question 7. They ask you the question saying, how many more children ate chicken nuggets than those who did not? So what they want you to do? They want you to take those who did not down here is 14, right? Take all of this minus a 14. This is 84 already. You plus another 12.
92.
94, 96. 96 minus 12. You get 82. Correct, Okay, I hope it's okay for you. But the problem here, if you got trick, it's okay. Because the sentence is not so great. All right, we move on to the next one. Let me see. Okay, you need to be able to do this. Okay. Remember, parallel is like that. Perpendicular is Ultraman. Meeting at 90 degrees. Only one answer. Okay, let us see. Well done, Mr. Zahin. Well done, Davish. Well done, Putri. Anyone else? You draw the line from one of these points, you made 90 degrees. Okay, that one is not. Not because you got to meet at 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So you can, on your exam paper, use the corner of your ruler like this. Watch. This corner, I cannot show you how to put it. You put it at the O there, and then you draw the line down. You will get roughly like that, 90 degrees. You put it at the O, the corner, this is 90 degrees, right? Put it there and draw down, you will get 90 degrees. So the answer is number 2. Yes, well done. Okay, the next one now. Carefully, read carefully, okay?
Yeah, calculator.
No, cannot use because this is paper 1. We try like exact thing. Okay, Damish. Okay. Putri, you gotta check. Putri, discount means you're gonna have a potongan harga. Don't add on, This is not GST. GST add on. Zahin, well done. Akil, check again. Don't take 80 minus 5. 5 is 5%. 80 is dollars. You cannot minus them. Dollars can minus dollars. All right. Percent can minus percent. Okay, yes, well done. Putri. And both Putris. Kasi and Akil. Okay, well done. So very simple. You want to find what's 5%. In fact, I do my calculation mentally. If I ask you for 10%, if you know 10% is like 0.1, is like $8, 5% is half of 10%, is $4. So 80 minus 4 gets 76. But if you are not so sure, say, what is Mr. Shahid talking about? I don't understand. Okay, so you just take 5% over 100 times by 80. And then you will get 1, divide by 5, you get 2, divide by 5, you get 1, 8 divided by 2, you get 4. So this is your discount. $80 minus $4, you get 76. But if you want to know how to do it mentally, okay, now I'm going to give you let us try. Okay, you try. What is 10? Do not use formula. Mentally. What is 10% of $750? Come on, chop. Very simple. Come, mentally. I'm giving you a way to, okay, very simple. You don't know? You just cancel 1 0. Answer 75. Okay? I repeat, you want to calculate 10%. Again, 10%, let's say, of 240 or 2,400. Just cancel. 240, you 24, but 2,400, cancel 1 0. Another way, you see what happened? Let's say they ask you for 10% of, let's say, 84. Okay, you just shift 1 decimal place back. Shift 1 decimal place. Put the dot here. 8.4. Down here, you see you shift, become 75. Down here, you shift, become 250. Do you know how to do? Then if they ask you for 5%, you divide this. You find 10% first, then divide by 2. Very fast. Okay, I'm going to test you on this. This in case you need to have a fast method for your exam. Then you go and calculate. Calculate is very slow. So let's try. I'm going to ask you now. Okay, we're going to try. You do 10% first, then divide by 2. Okay, so I want 5% of, let's see, sorry, 5% of, $68. Find 10% first, then divide by 2. 68, find 10% first. How to find 10%? Shift 1 decimal place, put the dot, $6.80, divide by 2.
Sure.
Yes, let's see.
Is the answer 3.4?
3.4, congratulations. Okay, so you're getting it. There is faster way of doing it. So now, then, after that, you divide by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. 8 divided by 2, 4. 3.4. Okay, we move on. You want more of these tricks? I'll teach you as we go along a little bit every week. Down here now. Which of the following fractions is larger than 1/4? there's a fast method. You don't need to change all the denominators, but never mind. I'll show you the fast method shortly, but you try. You try, yeah? And the answer, let us see. Teet, Ilhan, Dawish, teet. Teet means wrong, huh? It doesn't mean right. Try again. Dawish, you go and give 1/4. Putri, Kasih, teet. Akil, congratulations, Mr. Akil. No using calculator, huh, please, huh? Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? There is a way. There is a way.
Sure, am I correct?
Okay, Putri correct, Akil correct, Dawish correct. Okay. 20 seconds left before I show you the method. Very, very simple. Huh? You just change it 1/4. Imagine now this is, let's say you wanna compare to this, you times by 6. You times by 6. What do you get? 6/24. This is exactly 1/4. This is exact. So do you want larger, right? So out. What about this one? I change to 4 now. 1/4. I change to 4. I times by 4. I times by 4. I get 1/16. You know. This one you must understand. 4/16. Sorry. Which one is bigger? 4/16 or 17? If the top number is the same, the bottom number which is bigger is smaller. Let's say now, if the top number is the same, the bottom number which is bigger is smaller. See, 1/3, this is smaller. This is bigger. This one is bigger. This is bigger. So top number same, bottom number bigger, this is smaller. This cannot be. Next one, same thing. I take 1 times 3. I get 3. 4 times 3, I get 12. So again, I get 3/12. Top number is same. If the bottom number is bigger, this is smaller. So this is out. This one now, you times by 7. 1 times 7. 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 7, 28. If the top number is the same, bottom number is bigger, this is smaller. So this is bigger. In fact, you can also look at a pattern. 7/28. 7/27. This one 7/28. This one, the bottom is bigger. This you see, compare between these two. 4/17, 4/16, smaller. 3/13, 3/12, smaller. Down here is 6/24, same. So these three are out. I hope you get what I'm saying.
Sure.
Okay, yeah.
If the question asks what is similar than 1 out of 4, the answer is 2, right?
2, yeah, 2. Not similar, equal. See, this one is information exactly equal. Yes. Okay, we move on. These are things that you should score, okay? This one we are not going to have, right? We are not going to have this wasted. It's quite easy topic actually. This one, this is circle, you know. Okay, remember, for those of you who forget, who have forgotten, area is pi times r times r. Okay, pi r squared lah. This is area. You are dealing with perimeter, circumference is pi times d or 2 pi r. Either one, pi times d or 2 pi r. This one maybe you all might get confused. I need to show you how to. Okay, let us see who has sent the answer. If you understand this question, that's good. So sorry, Mr. Kasih, sorry, Kasih. Zahin, Akil, have you sent? If you have sent, it's not the right answer. So far, no one has given me the right answer.
Sure.
Yes.
So this, what's revolutions?
Okay, revolution. So I'm going to explain one by one. Revolution. Okay. Revolution is you go round like that. See this one down here? You go one round. So now down here, imagine I'm going to put down here the mark. One revolution when I go down, do you realize that one circumference can travel like one wheel? So now, so maybe you can see it better like that. So it turn, then 2 rounds, 3 rounds. So one round, one revolution is actually one circumference. So down here now, let us look back at the thing. Hold on. Well done, Kasih. I think you've gotten it. Now, so now down here, let's say now, you find the circumference of, what circumference? Pi times d, right? What's d? D is 6 cm. So this will give you one circumference. So they want to know how many circumference. You want to know how many? You must take this divided by circumference. So 153 or 156 ni. Hold on. Oh, 15. Okay, there's a trick down here. Because once you reach here, you don't need to have the whole thing. This is how many cm is this? You see this thing and this circle down here. You don't need to, you cannot move right until here. No, this is a 3 cm break. Because the diameter is 6 cm. What, tricky this question. Down here to here, your wheel cannot move anymore. What? Let's say down here, you reach the end. You can only move until here. So you need to not move 156 now. You need to move only 153 cm. Because from here to here. Why? Because this part down here is blocking. You cannot turn anymore. So you need to travel 153. So it's 153 divided by circumference. Circumference is pi times diameter, correct? Pi times diameter, t times 6, pi times 6 or 6 pi lah. 153. Now, I don't think you get it. I have to come back to this question again with another example. Okay, we'll come back to this another example. But I want you to know that this is double tricky. Why? Because when you roll here, you reach here, down here already you cannot move already, because there's a wall. So that means the movement is from here, starting is here, because it's touching the wheel on here. It will go until 3 cm before the wall and it stop. So it's 153.
So,
yeah.
How you know it's 3 cm?
Because they say the diameter is 6 cm. So this is half what? Correct. The diameter is 6 cm. So that means this one must be half, exactly half down here.
This is 3 cm.
Okay, 3 cm. So this is a little bit tricky. We got to come back to this. Okay, I got to make a note of this one. Okay, later we come back to this. If not, later means another lesson. Okay, because some students still don't get it. The other day I was teaching the student face to face. The boy, he couldn't understand. See, what is it? Until I asked him to roll. So you may need to roll. Okay, you try 13 now. 13. Sorry, kamu message apa? Sekejap, aku ini sekejap. Be careful of this. They say this is different type of fraction from this one. You need to draw a model. You cannot do this mentally. I cannot do this mentally. I need to draw a model. So we give you 2 minutes to try to draw a model. Okay, first of all, If you can, you take a picture of your model. But if you can do it straight, why not? If you want me to check your model, that's the first place, your first part. Okay, now I'm going to draw my model. Okay, you try, you try first. Once you draw the model, you can see. You can see. I have not completed. Hold on, hold on. Okay, let us see. Okay, Akil, you send. Akil, the answer is correct if you send. Kasi, do you send? If you send, I don't know the number, which number it is. So, Davish, do you send, Davish? Have you sent? Send already? No, I have not. Okay. Okay, we are going to draw the model. We're going to draw the model. It's 202. Any of you, you get the model. Once you get the model, you will be able to understand. So now down here, let us draw this long, down here. So he gave, let's say 35, let's say lah. Down here is 35. And then what is left? He's left with 5 parts. How do we know? Because there's this total balance is 5 parts. And then he gave away another 2. 1, 2. Who he gave away to? Okay, but I want to put the balance tree, yeah? The balance tree. So he gave away 2 to who? Gave to his neighbors lah. N, I put N here. He's balanced with 3. And they tell you that the balance is 1/4 of the original. This balance is 1 out of 4. The balance is 1 out of 4. Means down here, I can divide to 3 parts more now. Because it's 1. Can you see now? Can you see now? Okay, you must be able to see the model. Again, he give 35 sweets to his classmates. Then he's there with 5 parts. Out of the 5 parts, he gave 2 other parts to neighbors. Then he's left with 3. And then they say these 3 parts is the same as 1/4 of the whole thing. So I cut the whole thing into 1/4. These 2 quarters, 3 quarters. So these 2 are the same, you know. So what? Well, if 1 part is 3, I can divide it into 3. I can divide it into 3. I can divide it into 3. So that means I know from here to here, the 35, how many units is it? 1, 2, 3, 4,
12.
12 total. But for 35, how many? 7. So 7 units is equals to 35. 1 unit is equals to 35 divided by 7, you get 5. So they say, how many sweets did he give away? He gave away 35 plus another 2 more. 5 plus 5, 10. Then he's left with 3, right? So he gave away 35, 40, 45. Okay, this one, you need time again. Which part is confusing? Okay. What is this 1/4 of the whole thing? So I can draw for you 1/4. You can also draw the last part 1/4 first. See, what is 1/4? 1/4 is what he's left with. And if you agree, he gave away 35 at first. He gave away 35, let's see. And then after that, this is 35 lah. Then he gave away 2 of the balance 5. So this one down here, from here to here is 5 parts, you know. So I make down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He gave away to his neighbors. So the last 3 parts balance is equal to 1/4. So this is 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts, 12 parts. But this 35 is how many parts? 3 parts here, 3 parts here, plus 1 part here, 7 parts. 7 parts 35, 1 part 5. Okay, I hope you get it. Okay, if you don't get it, you must watch a video. Okay, you know that I upload the video, right? Normally I upload within a day lah, so you can check. Let us see now. Is there a question or something or the answer? Oh, okay, sure. I will upload the video. Huh? Because sometimes it takes time before it click now. As someone is explaining to you, hey, it doesn't click. This happened for paper 2. I'm teaching some students, it doesn't click yet. So you don't be gabra, okay, alamak, I don't understand, I'm not intelligent. No, you got to try again, then suddenly it click. Why? Because two reasons why. Number one is something new. Number two, you are in a process of maturation. That means certain things may not be fully developed, but for P6 work, inshallah you can, not a problem. But some questions, they are being unfair. They use secondary school questions to test you at P6. So that's why the clicking now, it takes a longer time. Okay, here we go now, next one. Okay, this one, we don't go statement. Statement is okay, we try this one. Those of you who do not know overlap, you must be able to imagine. So I am going to okay, I just show you what it means. If you do not understand, sorry. Okay, this is actually last time I was a consultant in Madrasah Irshad. So anyway, it's coming in, overlapping, something like that. Okay, means down here, something like that. It's overlapping. So let us see. So you must understand what they mean by overlap. That means two cards come together, overlap. Okay, you must imagine that. Okay, if you want to, you just tear some paper and then you do it. Okay. So I can see one of the card overlap like that. This part. So fast, someone get answer. Like that. So they want to know what fraction of the figure is shaded. Oh, who is this? Very fast. Wow, very fast. Let us see whether you're right or wrong. So sorry, Mr. Dawish. The answer key says wrong. You might be right. You might be right. I'm yes.
This figure came out during when we are doing homework.
Oh, and this question came out. So Zahin, your answer is correct. But to tell you honestly, I have not figured out yet, no? So if you have figured out...
It's a different question.
Different question, Akil is not so. I need to think. I do not know how you get so fast, How do you get so fast? See, we are genius. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you. Zahin, you... Okay, your clue is here. I give you a clue, Your clue is here. Zahin, do you get it because you understand? Or by luck? Mana Zahin? By luck or the thing? By luck. Okay, but this is your clue. Your clue down here. First of all, you must remember, in order to solve this type of questions, you got to believe in yourself. And we are Muslims, we believe Allah is most great. We have to believe in ourselves. I told you many times, right, last time, that mommy and daddy, when they had us, about 200 to 300 million sperms entered not us, mama's egg, and only one was the winner. Therefore, you are born champions. You must remember, you are born champions. How come some human being can become losers? That's another story. This is the same. Can you see that? You can cut it into exactly 2 parts here. This is actually what? This is actually what?
1/4.
1/4 of one rectangle. So if this is 1/4, this one must be 3/4 lah. So that means now we count in terms of parts. In terms of parts we have, I'm gonna cut 1 part, 1 part, 1 part, 1 part. This one must be 3 part. So now what fraction is shaded? Is 1 out of 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Was it that difficult? When you look at this question, you say, alamak, this one got to calculate. Don't need to calculate, just need to cut. But some of you have not clicked yet. From your face, I know you have not clicked yet. That means you are here. You get it or not?
So how do you get 3?
How do I get 3? Because now this is both same rectangle. So I ask you now, this 3, you agree this one is 3? 3 plus 1 because the rectangle. 3 plus this one must be equal to rectangle also. Correct or not? I do not know how, because you might be nodding your head, you might not click yet. So you may have to rethink again. So I hope you're okay. You're okay, right? Okay, this one is one part. So we must have 3 parts down here. So you say, where's the 3 parts? I cannot see the 3 parts. Okay, I'll show you now. Where's the 3 parts? Down here now, this one just now is cut this way, right? So we cut like that, right? And down here, how? Okay, I take the center here. We cut this way. This one, let's say center cut this way. Let's see some cut here. So this part down here is equal to 1. Because this one is 1, this one is 1. This last one with the odd shape like that, odd shape like that, is equals to 1 of this. Okay, we move on. Okay, we move on. All right. So now we are going to move to again Catholic High. Remember whose school is this? This Mr. Lee Sen Lung's primary school. How do I know about this school? Are you been to that school? I didn't study in the school, but it's all Chinese. They don't offer Malay. There's Malay teachers inside teaching English and all that. How do I know? I have a friend who works there. And they are very, very, very disciplined. You try this one. This one you must be able to do. So the Chinese schools, normally they don't have boyfriend, girlfriend, no. For us, make school say, hey, I like this girl, I like this boy. Down there, tak ada girlfriend, boyfriend. They study until, even until JC also they don't. Very serious. They are very serious about. Well done, Darwish. Well done, Zahin. What about the rest? Putri, you have forgotten how to do this. You go and flip the wrong thing, Putri. Don't flip the left side. You must flip the right side, remember. Those who have done, you can move on to the next one. Hold on, let me just decrease. Okay. So Darwish and Zahin, you can move on to the next one. Come on, what about the rest? Ilhan, Akil, you know how to do this one. 16, Akil, you know how to do. Zahin, well done, Zahin. Zahin reading 17. No, Zahin, it's not 20%. You are giving me 20%. It's not 20%. It's less than 1%. Less than 1%. So, alamak, what is less than 1%? Okay, Putri, let me see. You got it right. Okay, well done. Putri got it right. So now which one is 5-3? Alamak, apa ini, Akil? Okay, those of you not so sure, you must make sure you focus on this one. That means you do not know. 3/5, Akil, divided by what? 9/1. Remember not what you must do? You flip the right hand side. Don't flip the left hand side. So you change this to times. This thing is still the same. 3/5 times 1/9. Now you can cancel now. Top, pop. Get 3, so 1. 1 times 1, 1. 5 times 3, 15. Akil, okay? Okay. Okay. The next one now, 17. Quite a tricky question. Let us see who can get it right. So far, Darwish, your answer is not correct. You must understand that if I ask you for 1% down here, you know what's a fraction 1%? 1% is 1/100. No? This is not even 1%. This is smaller than 1. Your answer must be smaller than this. See how? How? Okay. You do. Okay, I give you another question. You try this, okay? So I give you another question. Let me see. No, cannot. Yours is 2%, Putri. Okay. Kasih, yours is 2%. Putri, yours is 20%. Okay, never mind. We do it this way. Yours, which one? Who says Darwish, yours is 20%. This is not even 1%, you know. Okay, so we come. We try. Let me see, where's the whiteboard? I forgot where's the whiteboard. Okay. Okay, let me. We try this one first, huh? We try this one. Now let's say I ask you to change half percent into fraction. Half percent. This don't say this. This is not 50%. This is not 50 over. This is not half 50 over 100. You know. This half not even one. You know. So this is not correct. Okay, not correct. Huh? So how to do this one? Sorry, let me remove all this color. Okay, how to do? You can change this to 0.5, correct? This one is 0.5%, not even one. Huh? So how to change? You put it equals to 0.5. Allahu Akbar. Come this one. You put 0.5 on top. Percent is 100. What? Put 100 below. Now you ask yourself, how to make it a whole number? Times what? Times 2 lah. 0.5 times 2, you get 1. What? Times 2. So you get 0.5 times 2, you get 1 over 200. If you don't believe, 1 over 200 is 0.5%. So now you try now. I know you some of you may not get it. You try the next one. You try the next one. Use the same method. Put it over 100. 0.2 times what equals to a whole number? Times the bottom one by that also. Come on, Zain, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You see, because for fraction you need to have whole number, right? So anyone? Darwish, what would you, Darwish? Darwish, you understand what I'm teaching? Yes, can you get the answer, Darwish? Try. Come on. Follow the same step. Okay, I just write down the step for you. Okay, someone has sent me the answer. Let us see whether it's correct now. Okay, Putri. Congratulations, Putri. You're the first one who got the answer. Well done. Hey, Darwish, don't let the girls rule the world. Come on, Darwish. Darwish, correct, but reduce to simplest form. Divide by 2 some more. What about the rest? Come on. Yes, Darwish, well done. Okay, maybe those might need a little bit more help. Okay, so now you write 0.2% is over 100 lah. You must times what? Very simple. You have learned this. You want to shift the decimal place by 1, that thing you times by 10 lah. Times by 10 no problem lah. Times by 10. Say I don't want to times by 10. Yeah, never mind. Later can reduce. You just need to shift, right? Times by 10. Then you get what? You get 2 over 1,000. But this is not the answer because they want in simplest form, right? So you must divide by 2. You get 1 over 500. This is the answer. But I'm not too sure whether you all really get it. So I'm going to give you another question. Here we go. Another question. You'll try, okay? We want 0.6% change into fraction in simplest form. Please. 0.6. What gun is that, Akil? It's a gun. A gun. Dangerous boy. A gun. Come on. Well done, Darwish. Come on. Putri, Kasih, Akil, Irhan, Zahin. Come on, you can do this.
Am I correct?
Well done, Zahin. Putri, no. No. That is 1%. I can get 1%. Kasih, well done. Come on, Putri, you're the one who got the answer first. Put it over 100 first. 0.6, put it over 100. Come on, put it over 100. Okay. And then you can shift to make it 6. You times by 10. Times this by 10 or so lah. So you get 6 over 1,000. Then reduce to lowest terms. Yes, well done, Putri. Divide by 2, you get 3 over 500. Okay, I hope you all get it, eh? Is it okay or not? Sorry, 3 over. Okay, don't be tricked, okay? Don't be tricked, eh? Now, these are all, if you can do this, yes, giveaway marks. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, this one, AGF, come on. Don't say out the answer, just type it in, AGF. Let us see now. What's the last one in the line? Okay. It's number 18, EDBE. Okay. Okay. Putri, careless error. Please try again. Kasih, congratulations. Win for yourself a prize from your mom. Get a free hug. Darwish, well done. You also hug your mom. You must make sure you hug your parents. Zahin, error. You're close, but you made a mistake. You forgot to minus. Putri, well done. Akil, what about you, Akil? Ilhan. Darwish, what is 13 mentally? Darwin, Darwish, not Darwin. Darwin is a different person. Akil, well done. Okay, hold on. Later I'll give you the thing. All right. So Zahin, okay, Zahin, malfunction. Here we go. Now you must make sure you read the question. AD is a straight line. This one's 180 degrees. So 40, 90. No, cannot be 180. So 180 minus 90 minus 40 equals to 50. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. Opposite is also 50 lah. So Zahin, just now you added 50 plus 45, correct? But take 180 minus 50 minus 45, you get 85 over here. Almost there. Zahin, okay not, Zahin? I think you added these two, right? You just need 180 minus 50 minus 45.
I look at the wrong angle.
Okay, all right, no problem. All right. So just be careful because these are giveaway marks. Giveaway marks during exams, you guys can do it lah. Okay. We want closest to 8,000. It can be smaller, it can be bigger. Don't always think it must be smaller. It can be bigger. Closest number. I repeat, it can be bigger. We have the first answer coming in. Let's see whether she can get it. Okay, but there is a number closer than that, Kasih. This is not the closest. Zahin, there's a number closer than that. And the number is bigger than that. That's a clue. Putri, you three of you have given the same answer. 4 of you, Darwish has given the answer. That means all of you think the number must be smaller than 8,000. The number is bigger than 8,000. The number is bigger than 8,000. You are assuming it's smaller than 8,000. So maybe you might not understand the concept, but it's okay. Okay, this is, yes, Zahin, well done. You are the first one who got it correct, well done. And then Akil and Darwish. Oh, Darwish was the first one. Okay. And Kasih, no, yours is too big, Kasih. Too big. So down here, there's many of you say 7821. Ilhan, the number is bigger than 8,000. You see the difference down here. Those of you who don't understand why the answer is not correct. If you take 8,000 minus 7821, what do you get? You get 179, you know. But if you say the answer is 8, 1, 2, 7, the difference from here to here is only 127. Can you see not that the bigger number is actually closer to 8,000, you know? Because it's only 127, let's say meters lah. We count it in meters, okay? 127 meters away. It's not 179. So don't always think that the number must be smaller. It can be bigger. Okay? All right, huh? Here we go. Move on to the next one. Huh?
Sure.
Yeah.
I go toilet.
Go. Okay, this one you know is not coming out. Okay, but we'll still be continuing class after PSLE because at Sec 1 you need to learn all this. Speed and all. So we don't do it now because it's not coming out for your exam. This one now they didn't show the amount of water. How do we know? This one, no lah, we're not going to do this one. Huh? Oh, line of symmetry. Yeah. Name. Okay. This one okay. Name all the figures that have at least one line of symmetry. At least one line of symmetry. The first one they really draw for you lah. So how many figures are there? I'm not going to tell you, but you see whether you can get. First one is already given. Huh? So the first one, A is in. Okay. You are supposed to name the figure. Zahin, well done. You got it correct. Darwish, you got extra one. One of them is not in. Putri, that means yours is A, B, C, D, E. Cannot be. No, Putri, Kasih. Darwish, yes. I think, yes. Darwish, now your answer is correct. Can you see why that one extra one is not? No? Yeah.
Is this the shaping map that you're talking about?
Yeah, you can, yeah. This is shaping maths. You can use that or yeah. Or one of the 3 books.
My brother also baca.
Okay. So you all can do, and then yeah, the questions you do not know.
My mother bought 4, 5, 6.
Wow. Okay, but you only got 2.5 months now, so you got to do like crazy. Okay, here we go. We go one by one. Huh? A, you know, it can be symmetrical. This is a line of symmetry, right? You can cut into 2 equal parts. This one you cannot. How to cut? You cut down here. When you fold it, this one will go down here. So this one cannot. This one you can cut this way, equal, right? You can cut this way. This one you can cut like that, right? This one you cannot cut. You cut this way. Can you see not this? Sorry. Can you see not? If you cut down here, it's not equal. This side, if you fold, you are supposed to have this shape down here. Cannot. So, answer is only A, C, and D. Okay, we move on now. Just hold on, Putri. I will respond. Okay, please try this. And we are getting to tougher and tougher punya questions, Sorry, yes. Yeah, you can share, no problem. But then how are you going to do? You say how are you going to share? How are you going to share? Who's going to do?
Me and my bro.
Yeah, but who's going to do? One person. When you do, your brother not going to do. I leave it to you. Unless you do.
Because there's like 6A and 6B we bought. So.
Okay, so 6A, 6B you can do. The P5 one, you can share. Maybe you do on a separate paper lah. Then you let your brother do inside. Otherwise, your brother may not do, no? I think so, no? He might say, never mind, kakak do lah. I think so, he might do that. What do you think? Maybe, right? Okay, never mind. Can share, no problem. Hey, what happened? Akil and Putri and okay, Kasih, her video is not working, so it's okay. The rest got to turn on a video. I need to see you. Why? Because I need to see what is in your eyes. From there, I know whether you really understand or not. It's more for understanding, actually. Because taught people, they will not yet understand, but actually from their eyes, you know, they don't understand. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, you need to draw a model for this one. You don't draw model, I do not know how you're going to do. You have to draw model. Okay, let me see. Darwish, I think your answer is not correct. Close lah, but Darwish correct now. Kasih, so sorry, it's not. Darwish, can you send me your model? You take a photo of it, send to me. I believe your model is correct. I just want to check. Do you draw a model?
No, Chen.
What do you use another method?
Mental.
Really? Wow, mental. Okay, later you explain how you get the mental. Okay, how you get mental? Tell me. Can you explain? Explain now. Let me see.
12 oranges is 12 units. 4 oranges, 4 units.
Okay.
Then when she bought 4 oranges, she had $5.20 left. 12 oranges needed 2 more. So I added 5.20 plus 2. Then I minus 12 units minus 4 units.
So you can imagine that in your mind. Wow. Zahin, that's not the answer. Okay, I'm gonna draw what is in Darwish's mind. Darwish can do it mentally. Wow, very good. You can even imagine this in your head. Very good. Okay, this is exercises the Muslim community needs, no? Because we are a little bit weak in maths, and you know, mental exercises means you start to think faster. If you don't believe, you go to other countries. You find that your thinking is very fast, no? You can think about 3-4 things, they only think of one thing. And that's why when we Singaporeans, we go in a region, we are very fast. We can cheat people actually. But if we do it for good, we can help a lot of people. Okay, I'm going to draw for you. And I'm going to draw what is in the mind of Mr. Darwish, sorry. Why am I calling you Darwin? Darwin is actually the name of a scientist actually who talk about the evolution of the apes into human beings, which we don't believe. So this is actually 12 oranges. Okay, and then we're going to draw another one. This one, let's say 4 oranges. Okay, now if he wants to buy 12 oranges, he doesn't have enough money. If he buys 4 oranges, he got extra money left. So let us mark the point where he has his money. This is his money level, the money he has. Okay, the money he has. This is the money he has. How much we do not know, but we know between the money he has, if he buy 4 oranges, he will have $5.20. Look, but if he wants to buy 12 oranges, he is short of $2. Short of $2. So you see again, this is the money he has, The money he has, if you want to buy 12 oranges, not enough money. He need another $2. Now here, can you see? You plus $2, then you can buy 12 oranges. But if you buy 4 oranges, he got 520 left. So what Darwish is saying, this part, he will take this part, he take 520 plus $2. How much you get? $7.20. $7.20 is for how many units? 12 units minus 4 units. Down here must be 8 units. 4 plus 8 is 12. What? So he says this is 8 units. What is 1 unit? 1 unit is 720 divided by 8. You will get 90 cents. Now, I think some of you don't get it. So if you need me to explain someone, please tell me. I will go through again. Anyone? Okay. Zahin, you get it, Zahin? Get it? Kasih, you get it, Kasih? Putri, you get it? Akil, you get it? Yes, sir. Okay, where is one more? Ilhan is not here. Ilhan disappear. Okay, all right. If you all get it, alhamdulillah, that means this is the way to do it. Well done. And then we go to the next one. Oh, Ilhan, okay, Ilhan. You're right, Sorry, I didn't see you just now. Sorry. And sometimes some students trick me, They go and change their name down there, and then I thought it's the whatever student. And the worst thing is they go and change their name, then they chonting on my board, Then I go and scold the wrong person. Okay. Okay, now this is now ratio. By the way, Catholic High paper is not considered an easy paper, right? It's a very good school. So the fact that you can understand, if let's say even you don't get it correct, but you can understand how to do it after the explanation, means you are okay, you are good. You just need practice. You need to write your ratios down, otherwise.
We have the ratio method.
Yeah, please do. Please do use a ratio method. Okay. This is question number 20. This is quite easy, Let us see now. Who is this? Well done, Darwish. Okay, Darwish, I'm going to give you mental calculation, Okay, 9 times 20, sorry, 11 times 21. No using calculator, mentally. And go.
So Shahi, I got a question. What do you mean by the ratio of the least amount of money?
That means who has the smallest ratio to have the biggest.
Oh, it means I have to minus that, is it?
No minus, just right. Let's say now, if let's say Samuel have the smallest, Daphne have the biggest, so Samuel to Daphne.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah. Darwish, what's your answer? Use calculator. What's your answer? Oh no, almost there. Zahin, well done, Zahin. Zahin also tries mental sum. 11 times 21. Times 10 first. 21 times 10, then plus 21. Times 10, then plus 21.
132.
21, no. 21 times 10.
132.
232, you mean? 232 or 132 or 231?
What's the equation again?
Okay. Okay, here we go. 21 times 11.
232.
232. Both of you wrong. Okay, you times by 10 first is 231. 210. Then add another 21.
No,
231. 231. We try another one. Okay, 11 times 54. Putri Kasih, sorry, is not 54.
551.
551. No, not 551. I write the number here so that you all can see. 54 times 11. You will take 54 times 10, then plus 54. 54 times 10, then plus 54. Sorry, 54 times 10. You know 54 times 10, you all know that, right? Plus 54. 54 times 10 is 540, right? Plus 54. The n number will always be this number. Don't go and take this number. 594. Okay, we try another one. 63 times 11. 63 times... No. 63 times 11. Okay, again. 63 times 11. Wah, Putri kasih. You are doing that. Okay, no problem. 63 times 11. Anyone. Well done, Dawish. Okay.
693.
Yes, well done. So you get the hang of it. Sometimes, you know what I do when I go to the cashier? And while the cashier is doing it, I'll be... That's example of... It will help you. It will help you. Trust me, it will help you. Okay, I need to explain this question for a while because some of you are stuck. Putri, are you stuck, Putri? Putri, you stuck? Okay, very simple now. Okay, Kasih also watch. So now, Samuel, ... Jack, ... This is called Daphne. There are certain names like this one. Last time I didn't know how to say, You know what I say? I call it beet rice. It's supposed to be Beatrice. Beatrice. If you have a friend by name Beatrice, don't call her beet rice. Now, here we go. Okay, Samuel and Jack. 1:3. Jack to Daphne. 4:7. Make this the same. How to make it the same? You times by 4. You times by 3. You get 12, right? Down here you get 12. Good. So now you see, this one you times by 3, you must also times this one by 3 to be fair. Because you times 3, you must times 3, you get 21. This one you times 4, this one you must also times 4. Right? So you get 4:12:21. The one least amount is 4. Most amount is 21. So the answer is 4:21. Okay, I'm going to give you some practice now because some of you may not get it still. So let's say now we have another question. Let's say we have A is to B is 2:3. Then B is to C is 5:7. I want to know what's the ratio of A is to B is to C. What's your answer? You must be able to do this. Okay, you do that. Start, follow the start. Okay, you do like up and down like that, something like that. Hey, Zahid and Dawi shouldn't be a problem for you, but what about the rest? Let's see. Wow. Okay, Dawish, Putri Kasih. Okay, both of you are the same answer. I have not calculated yet, but I think most probably you're correct. And yeah, you all are correct. Kasih, you're correct. Dawish, you're correct. Putri, you're correct. What about the rest? Come on. Akil, Zahin, you should have no problem, Zahin. If you get the first answer correct, you should be able to get this one correct. Ilhan? Okay, very simple. I'm going to show it in a moment, okay? You must know how to do this. Must. Because this is considered, there'll be questions coming out. So you write like that. A is to B is to C. So it's 2:3. The other one, 5:7. Which question? We are doing now my own question. I'm giving you my own question, this one. So now, make it 15. This one you times by 5. You must also times by 5 here, to be fair. Why you times 5? You want to make it 15? This one you must times by 3. You must also times by 3. Say, but why must we make it the same? Because this is B. We want the value for B to be the same. So all of them will be 15, you see? 3 times 5, 15. 5 times 3, 15. Good. What about C? 7 times 3, 21. 2 times 5, 10. Can you see now the ratio of A to B to C is 10 to 15 to 21. Okay. You don't understand. Okay, we'll do one more time. One more time, okay? Now I'm going to give you again the Now with this person, the ratio of D is to E is 2:7. The ratio of E is to F, okay, is 3:4. What we want to do, we want to combine them. We want to combine the ratio to make it D is to E to F, def. Okay, can or not? So now you try to put in the method. You do the first one down here, do the second one down here, like that. And then after finally you combine them all together. And someone already given the answer so fast. I'm just writing the person give. Wow, this boy, yeah. Let's see whether it's correct. Okay, the center one, let me see. Times 7. Okay. Well done, Darwish, Kasih, Zahin, Putri. What about the rest? What about Akil? Akil, what is your video off lah, Akil? Come on, Akil, I need to see you. Come on, I need you
Rather
to do
changing.
Some changing. Alamak, changing. Okay lah, if you're changing, then okay, I will show you. What about Ilhan? Can do it, Ilhan? Okay, basically you put this down on here. D is to E. Sorry, ya Allah. 2:7. This one 3:4. So down here now, you want to make the number the same. Why? Because it's E. What? We want it to be the same. It cannot be E is 7 units, E is 3 units. It's very confusing. So 7 times 3, 21. So down here you times what? Times by 7. Down here you times by 7. So you get 28. On top, 7 times 3, you get 21, right? So down here you times by 3. Okay. So you have 6. 6 to 21 to 28. Okay, we just got a few more questions before 3. We are finishing one whole paper. Alhamdulillah, very good. Your concentration is very, very good. Okay, this one now. What sort of question is this one? 15 boxes of pens. Allahu Akbar. This type of question. This is actually, for your information, a secondary school question that has been asked over and over at primary school that unfortunately you all have to do it. So you try lah. I suggest use a guess and check method. That's my suggestion. There's another method, but the other method actually difficult to understand.
There are 15 minutes each of them. 15 boxes or just like
15 boxes altogether. We do not know how many boxes of pens, how many boxes of pencils, but altogether the number of boxes, if you to count them, there's 15 of them. So you want to know how many boxes are pencils? That's the question. Sorry. Can I suggest using the table method, the guess and check method? Your teacher would have taught you this. Okay, table method. Or you try first. You try first. Let's see whether can you get it. But this question is really, no, we cannot. Okay, sorry.
Is my answer correct?
Yeah, checking. Hold on. Congratulations. You use your certain formula, is it? Is it what? Sorry, supposition method.
I use time.
What do you do?
Because these pens like 5, 10, 15, all that.
Okay.
I use 9. I use the pencils as like multiplication method. So like any number that ends with 3, like 103, like in like the pen and pencil together, I do it with pencils. Like so, like for example, 18, 27, 36, 54.
45, 54. So you're searching for something. You're searching what numbers add up to get a 3 at the back, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting method, Okay, I got to give you a more precise method. So 3 is not the answer, Zain. So what is the method actually? Now you know that the boxes, okay, this is called boxes of pens. Boxes of pencils. Okay, let's say pencils now, PC lah, some PN. You add together, you must get 15. Must get 15. So let us see. So now it can be one box of pencil, a pen, 14 boxes of pencils. Possible. So now what do we do? Okay, we try lah. Let's say one box of pencils, a pen. How many pens are there? You understand this first, not? It must be 15. So I'm gonna rub this off. I'm gonna put another color lah, so that you all are very clear on this. This one boxes. This one boxes. This one is a slow method, but it's a precise method lah. You can get it. It's guessing to some degree, but you can get it. So down here is number of pens, right? So one box with 5 pens lah. If you got one box of pens, you must have 14 boxes of pencils. Okay, pencils. So how many pencils we get? 14 times 9. So what 14 times 9? You get 1, how much? 2, 6, is it? Am I correct? Hold on, 14 times 9. 1 to 6, correct. So you add these two numbers. It must be equal to 103. That's what they say. See, this is 5 plus this 131. Cannot be lah. This cannot be. Do you know what I'm doing now? Okay, now I try. Okay, 1 cannot. I'm not going to go 2. Let me try 5. We try 5. 5. So 5 boxes of pens, 5 times 5, 25 pens. If I buy 5 boxes of pens, the balance boxes is 10 pencils. 10 times 9, 90. So I add these two up. 90 plus 25. How much do I get? I get 115. Hey, look, it's getting closer to 103, but it's still not the answer. So maybe I try 10. I try 10. 10 boxes of pen. 10 times 5, 50. A balance how many? If I buy 10 boxes, total is 15 boxes, balance is 5 boxes. 5 times 9, 45. Now I add, yes, you're correct, Putri. So now 50 plus 45, you get 95. It's too small. It's supposed to be 103. So because of that, I must reduce this. So maybe we try, okay, we try down here, we try 8 lah. Okay, this one by luck 8. So 8 times 5, 40. Okay. And then, if you buy 8 boxes of pen, how many boxes can you buy pencils? 15 minus 8, you get 7. 7 times 9, 63. 63 plus 40, 103. Jackpot. Tong. So you all know how to do this method or not? Zahin, your teacher taught this method before? Zahin? Yes, guess and check? No. No. Okay, some say yes.
So you know you can do guess and check on your calculator. There's a mode.
Yeah. Okay, is there a mode? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
But the thing is, this is a paper 1 question, you see? Okay, there's a mode. So you can do the guess and check. All right. Where's CC? Oh, they have that. Wow. Wow. Okay. So down here now, you must understand that we can use this method. We can use this guess and check method. And your working is like this. So if it is not correct, you just put across. Then you adjust when the number gets closer. Okay, we do the next one. We do the next one. Putri, you understand this method, guess and check? Yes. But don't spend too much time on it. You can do that as a last question. Okay, here we go then. Question 26. Easy. Cannot use calculator lah. Give me some using calculator. Oh, that's it. So sorry, Putri, it's not. It's very cheap, rather. It's very cheap. Too cheap. Too cheap. Putri, so sorry, cannot. Zahin, so. No, sorry. Putri, yours is, yeah, too cheap just now. Now it's a little bit too expensive. Zahin, yours is very cheap. You tell me where I want to buy from you. 1,200 mangoes, no? One mango is how much? Okay, in a bag, in a bag, you imagine, in a bag, you got 6 mangoes. 6 mangoes in a bag cost $8.20. Means one mango is already $1 plus, no? So 1,200 mangoes must be more than $1,200. Let us see. Putrika C, very close, but still not yet there. I think someone has given the answer. Let's see. Darwish, you're correct. Well done. Darwish, you're the first one. Sorry, I didn't see your answer. 2-4. Iran cannot be very cheap.
Can I say out the answer?
What's your answer? What's your answer?
1,640.
Yes, well done. Okay, so very simple. What are the steps? The steps are you want to find out how many bags are there. Take 1,200 divided by 6. Now, they give you numbers that you can actually do mentally. You say, I do not know how to do this one. Okay, cover the 2 zeros. Imagine there's no 2 zeros here. 12 divided by 6. Oh, 12 divided by 6 is 2 lah. Okay, good. So you write 2 there, equals to 2. But remember, there's 2 zeros here. Go and add the 2 zeros back. Become 200. I see. And then now, you must times this 820 because one bag is $8.20. How much is 2 bags? 200 bags. You say, I don't know how to times. Okay, then you times by 100 first. After that, it times by 2. You know that 100 times 2 equals 200, right? So you can do this if you want to. So you get shift 1020, 1020. You get 820 times 2. This one might be easier lah. 8 times 2, 16. 20 times 2, 40. 1640. Okay, I hope this is okay for you. This is quite straightforward. You must know all this. This one is life skills. If you do not know this, that means how are you going to buy and sell? How are you going to do business? You may say, I'm never going to do business. Yes, but you may be buying things for your home. You need to know all this. You say, when am I going to buy mangoes this much? It might not be mangoes. Let's say it's tiles, floor tiles for your renovation. Floor tiles, the square tiles on the thing. They don't sell one, They might sell, let's say, 12. So one box of 12 tiles or 20 tiles costs how much? You must know how to calculate this. Okay, this is a part of it. We do a very last question again. One last question is 259. So we do one last question. This one is not. This one. Overlap. The area now we are talking about, I will shade for you. How come they don't want to show the thing? Sorry. Can see, If you understand triangles, you can get the answer in what? In 5 seconds. Okay, answer there. If you understand this concept at the advanced level. So consider I'm giving you my own question, okay? No. Sorry. Sorry, I have to change because this is wrong. I've shaded wrongly, son. Hold on, No. Sorry. Cannot. Okay, cannot. I do not know which one is which. Sorry. Sorry, cancel this one. Cancel this one. Let me see. Are we able to do? Okay, this last one. This one. Paper 2, question 1. If you're okay, we put in just 5 minutes extra, okay? Just for today, just for today. Clue. Clue, count in terms of the cheaper item. Change the cupcake to tarts. Then you'll be able to find. I repeat, imagine you're buying only tarts. Imagine. And then you will get the way. Sekarang.
So this one can use calculator.
Yes, you can use calculator this paper too. Okay. This is paper two. You can use calculator. Just one last question, Ini. They want you to know what's the price of a tart. Oh, someone has given an answer. Let us see. Who is it? Oh, that one is earlier. Okay, earlier one, yes, correct, Putri. Congratulations, you got it for the earlier one. Oh, Darwish, sorry, you got it. Well done. You have a fast method. You calculate all in tarts?
I calculate in unit.
In units. Okay, don't tell it. Don't tell it. In units. Very good, very good. So you see, maths, you can come out your own creative ways even, but it must be correct and true lah. So your side, yeah, I believe it's correct and true. Those who are confused, ask yourself, one cupcake has the same price as how many tarts? You can see it here. They tell you the price of tart is like 1, cupcake is like 5, you know. Let's say you have tart price to the price, cupcake is 1:5. So this is the same as the price of how many tarts? 2 cupcakes will be how many tarts? This is 1 cupcake. 2 cupcakes must be 10. So now you have already found now here. 9, 10 is for 3 tarts and 10 tarts, 13 tarts. Is that what you did also, Mr. Davish? Yes. So this is the same as 13 tarts. But I know some of you still don't get it. Don't worry, don't worry. You use your 1 tart, 9, 10 divided by 13. You don't get it, I will show you by model. Okay, very quickly, I'll show you by my model. So you get 70 cents. So those of you who don't get it, say, I don't get it, I don't get it. Okay, never mind. 1 like that is for a tart. Okay? They say the cupcake 5 times. So 1 cupcake, this is 1 tart. 1 cupcake must be 5 lah. Do you agree? All can see this. So I'm going to draw 5 here. You can see it very fast. You'll see it very fast. Models can help you to do it very fast. Down here, see, watch. Down here. So down here you got 5. How many cupcakes are there? 2 cupcakes. So I draw 2 sets. This is 1 cupcake. This is 2 cupcakes. Can you see it's 10 units? 2 cupcakes. Tarts, 3 tarts. You draw 3 lah. 1, 2, and 3. All together, how many? 13 units is 9, 10. Same thing. 9, 10 divided by 13, you get 70 cents. Finish. Okay, I hope this is okay. All right. All right, you take care of yourself. Thank you very much. You've been wonderful students. Assalamu alaikum.